Affiliate marketing offers a great opportunity to generate passive income online. Earning $100 a day is achievable with the right strategies. Select a profitable niche that you're passionate about and that has a large, engaged audience. Make sure there are affiliate programs with high-paying products in your niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates offer plenty of options. Promote products that align with your audience's needs. Look for products with recurring commissions and high-ticket items. You need a platform to promote your affiliate links. Blogging and YouTube can be effective. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Generate traffic through organic and paid methods. To convert traffic into sales, use strong calls to action and engaging content. Email marketing helps nurture relationships, offer lead magnets, and promote affiliate offers through emails. Use analytics tools to track your performance and focus on the most profitable strategies. Making $100 a day from affiliate marketing is achievable with persistence and the right approach.